PlushCare Pharmacy Honest review. Watch before using. So in this video, I'm going to give you no nonsense review. So what I'll provide is a very sharp and straightforward review about each platform. So PlushCare is a telehealth service that contacts patients with board certified physician for virtual consultation, addressing both primary and urgent care needs. While PlushCare does not operate its own pharmacy, it facilitates the prescription process by allowing physicians to send prescription directly to a patient's preferred local pharmacy. And here about the key features about this platform. The patients can schedule same-day appointment and consult with doctors via video calls, eliminating the need for in-person visits. And also, after consultation, physicians can prescribe medication and send prescription electronically to patients choosing pharmacies for fulfillment. And also, PlushCare accepts most major insurance plans, potentially reducing out-of-pocket costs for patient. And also, a monthly membership fee provides access to services with additional cost for consultation and treatment. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pros, patients can access healthcare service from the comfort of their home, reducing the need for travel and waiting time. And also, PlushCare employs physicians from top medical schools, ensuring high quality medical advice and treatment. And also, same-day appointment and extended hours offer flexibility for patients with busy schedule. And here's the downside about this platform. Without insurance, consultation fee can be relatively high, and the membership model hard and ongoing expenses. And also, some users have reported challenges in reaching customer support for resolving billing issues. And also, PlushCare physicians cannot prescribe certain medications such as control abstinence, which may require an in-person visit. And here's more customer feedback about this platform. Customer experience with PlushCare are generally positive, with many appreciating the convenience and the professionalism of the service. For instance, a user shared that the platform is user-friendly and offer a vast collection of medicines, but noted that delivery time can be lengthed and the prescription verification process can be cumbersome. However, some users have expressed dissatisfaction with customer services, forgiveness, and clarity regarding subscription fee. So if you need more feedback about this platform, which is customer feedback from this platform, you can easily go to forbes.com for more customer feedback. And here's the overview of the overall view about this platform. PlushCare offer a convenient and a efficient telehealth solution, connecting patients with qualified physician for virtual consultation and prescription services. While the service provides significant benefit in terms of accessibility and quality of care, potential users should be aware of the cost involved and possible limitation regarding certain prescription. Overall, PlushCare is a valuable option for those seeking flexible and reliable healthcare services without the need for in-person visit.